So yesterday I noticed that Hey Gen now offer the opportunity to create your own avatar, and whilst they recommend that you have an HD recording or whatever, I thought I'll just give it a go and record at my desk. So it's a 3 or 4 minute activity to record you being silent, you listening, but also you speaking, and it will synthesize your voice and interact with you using a base language model. So this is just a quick demo of what it looks like. So I'm loading up the avatar. Because this is me, I get 9 minutes of interaction time at each case.
Hi, ask me anything about using generative AI for teaching. Could you please clarify what you mean by interaction time at each case? Are you referring to a specific context or study?
Sorry, I was talking to a wider audience, but what I want to know is, are students allowed to use generative AI at King's at all?
Yes, students at King's College London are allowed to use generative AI, but they must do so responsibly and in accordance with academic integrity guidelines.
Okay, and what are some of the issues that they need to be alert to if they're going to use these technologies?
Students should be alert to potential issues such as academic integrity violations, the accuracy of AI-generated content, data privacy concerns, and adherence to specific course guidelines.
Are there any golden rules for students?
Yes, the golden rules for students using generative AI include never copy pasting AI generated text directly into assignments, asking about permissible use when unsure, and acknowledging any use of generative AI before submitting work.
Okay, thanks. Tell me something interesting about football.
Did you know that the fastest red card in football history was issued just 2 seconds into a match? Lee Todd received it for foul language after coming onto the field.
Yeah, he probably deserved it, right?
It certainly seemed like a surprising way to start a game. It's a reminder that even in sports, things can take unexpected turns.
Okay, so I'm just going to stop him talking there so he doesn't interrupt me again. But what's really interesting about this is how easy it is to use this software to create something like this and then ground it. I grounded it in the generative AI at King's guidance, which extends to about 8 or 9 different separate web links. And then each time you integrate a link, it comes up with a set of suggested questions and answers, which you can go through and edit for accuracy. And then you create a behavioral prompt to define how the avatar interacts. I've tweaked it so that it responds in very short sentences, because it was going on a little bit before. But I just thought I would show this to see where you can get to. It's frightening and amazing simultaneously. That cognitive dissonance is ringing loud in my head at the moment.